The VEVOR Shower Tower System offers a luxurious shower experience with its 4-in-1 design featuring rainfall, waterfall, body massage jets, and a handheld shower head. Switching between the diverse shower modes is seamless, thanks to the easy-to-use knob control that ensures a gentle yet abundant water flow. The dual-top spray option allows you to select between a soothing rainfall or a refreshing waterfall, covering you in comfort with its wide 18.1-inch spray head. Equipped with anti-clog nozzles, the system's 5 adjustable body jets and 3-setting handheld shower head cater to users of varying heights, making it ideal for families. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this shower tower is not only durable and resistant to rust and corrosion, but also easy to clean and maintain. Installation is straightforward with the wall-mounted design including a brass mixing valve and PVC double explosion-proof pipe for a robust and leak-proof setup.